Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going through a vocal workout designed to help you start building strength and stamina within your vocal. Some of the exercises are quite demanding physically, so what I want you to try to do is use your stomach muscles or your core muscles to help support your voice. So what I mean by this is when you're going for some of the high notes or the loud notes, use your stomach muscles, squeeze your stomach muscles to help push that sound forward. Try not to let all the strain stay in your throat. Try not to squeeze from your throat. Try to keep your throat open and relaxed. The other thing to bear in mind is your breathing. Make sure that you're taking a nice deep breath from the abdomen at the start of each exercise. If you're not sure on your breathing technique, please have a look at some of my previous videos to get you going with that, because it's a really important element of singing. But if you feel confident with that and ready to tackle some of these power exercises, let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is a little humming exercise on a Penta scale, we love them, to just warm your voice up. This is low impact, but it should get your voice moving because we don't want to go into anything too demanding straight away. Breathe before the start of each exercise and try to sing each of these sequences in one breath. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we're going to sing a sliding octave on a MeeYaah. We're going to start on the higher note, slide down to the low, back up and down again. I want you to control this sound from your abdomen. So I want you to imagine that your voice is actually in your abdomen, not in your throat. Okay, so we're going to squeeze our stomach muscles in for the high note and then release for the low note. So imagine that you are pushing and pulling those notes up and down like this. MeeYaah. And then we just relax on the yah. Take a nice deep breath at the start of each exercise. Smile into the me and open wide on the yah. Let your voice go wherever it needs to go. Don't worry about the quality of the sound, but really focus on controlling the sound with your stomach muscles. Okay? MeeYaah, 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 In this next exercise, we are going to work on sustaining and controlling the dynamics of a long note. Dynamics are changes in volume, so loud and soft parts of the sound. What we're going to do is we're going to sing a yah, and we're just going to hold that same note. But I want you to start quietly and gradually increase the volume of the sound and then pull it back again. For example, yah. imagine that you're pushing that sound forward, and you can visualize that sound growing, and then you're going to bring that sound back and let it diminish. Use your stomach muscles to push the sound forward and then hold on to it as you draw it back in. Try to avoid singing with a breathy tone, yeah, because you will run out of breath really quickly and it'll be very hard to control the note. Keep it clear, keep it nice and thick in terms of the tone, and make sure to take a nice deep breath at the start of the exercise. Okay? Yeah. So here's another exercise to work on strengthening and controlling the power muscles, the support muscles. We're going to sing through some ha-ha-has on a penta scale and then an arpeggio. So we want to try and do this in one go, in one breath if you like, but we're going to squeeze each ha from the stomach, like this. Ha, 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 ha. So your stomach muscles should be tensing and releasing on every note. Ha, ha, that was wonky. Ha, 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 ha. Okay, this can be quite tiring, but just go with it, do as much as you can, and try to come back to this exercise. Repeat it so that it gets easier and easier. Okay? Open your mouth wide, smile, and really try to send that sound out. But make sure that the focus stays on your power muscles. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, 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 ha. Now we're going to hold a steady, clear, moderately loud note on TooWeeYaah. Okay, so we're going to sing TooWeeYaah, and then we have to sustain that sound for 15 seconds. Dig deep, try to keep the sound nice and clear, nice and thick. Don't let any breath creep into the sound because that will cause you to run out really quickly. So try not to let this happen. Yeah, you can hear all that breath. Keep it strong. The other thing that we need to try to do is yes, why not? That we want to try to do is use our stomach muscles to help push that sound out. But you don't want to engage your stomach muscles too soon, because again, if you start squeezing at the start of the note, you're going to have no power left to hold on for the remainder of the note. So try to imagine that you're going to breathe into your stomach, fill it up like a balloon, and then hold that air there and gradually start to bring your stomach muscles in, gradually start to push the remainder of that note out like this. Yeah. To help push the sound out. Open your mouth wide, smile, and take a nice deep breath at the start of each exercise. Now we're going to sing through an arpeggio with a sliding octave on the end on May. So we're singing May, 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 May. On that sliding note, use your stomach muscles to support your voice or to nudge your voice up and back down that octave. May. Really try to lock into your stomach muscles there so that you can sustain a nice smooth sound. Smile into it. Try to perform each round of this in one breath. So make sure you take a good deep breath at the beginning into your abdomen. Yeah, smile, open up the sound, and just try to keep it nice and steady. So there we are. Hopefully you're feeling like your voice has had a good stretch. You should be feeling a little bit tired in your stomach muscles as well. If you feel like you want some more, just go back and repeat these exercises. You're just going to keep building that lovely stamina and build strength in the muscles. This is also a good exercise for starting to work on some of those high notes as well and some of the lower notes. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do leave me a comment, hit the like button or subscribe, and now you can stay up to date with the new videos that I'm posting each week. Join me next week for another warm-up workout vocal routine. We're going to be looking into extending the range. Thank you for singing with me. Happy singing, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.